Social media can be a place of information and misinformation, and with all of us staying at home and staying online, the lines of truth for COVID-19 can become a little bit blurry. With the help of FEMA, News 2 is trying to help correct those rumors. The first myth circling social media is that we're under a national lockdown and the country will be quarantined for the next 2 weeks. Per FEMA, there is no national lockdown. As with all the information online or shared via social media, it's important to verify the source of the information. The second rumor is that we need to stockpile our groceries. FEMA's response is only to buy what your family needs for a week, going on to say it's important to remember that many families are unable to buy a supply of food and water for weeks in advance. Consumers' demand has been exceptionally high, especially for grocery, household cleaning, and some healthcare products. Another myth, the U.S. government is mailing checks for $1,000 and you can sign up for them. According to FEMA, the U.S. government is not mailing checks in response to COVID-19 at this time. Anyone who tries to tell you they can get the money now is a scammer. The rumor that FEMA calls the most unfortunate is that only those above the age of 60 and those with pre-existing conditions will contract COVID-19. According to the Center for Disease Control, those at a higher risk include older adults and people with serious chronic medical conditions. However, symptoms can range from mild to severe with and may have different complications for each individual. The final myth, the Hantavirus, which was the reasoning for an individual's death in China, can spread from person to person like coronavirus. Per FEMA, Hantavirus is not new, and according to the CDC, it was first observed in the 1950s in Asia during the Korean War, and in this country in 1993 in the Four Corners area. It is spread primarily to humans through contact with the waste products of infected rodents. Transmission from one human to another may occur, but is extremely rare. The most important thing to remember when posting on social media, sharing, and/or liking something is that that source has been verified and vetted. In Charleston, I'm Kate Prestak. Count on 2.